They say that sometimes a picture can be worth more than 1,000 words. This saying may have more expression in the field of knowledge. In this video, we will have a review of the photos that each of them have been able to change the course of science or make our understanding of scientific phenomena better and more tangible. Number 1. The drawing of the anatomy of the body by Leonardo da Vinci between the years 1509 and 1510, at a time when few people had systematically examined the inside and outside of the human body. The Renaissance artist Leonardo da Vinci got to work and drew 200 drawings of the skeletal and muscular system of the human body. These images are not only beautiful, but they are also among the most accurate designs of the human body in Europe until that time period. By mixing scientific observations with his art, Da Vinci helped to create modern anatomy. The largest exhibition of Leonardo da Vinci's drawings of human anatomy was displayed at the Queen's Gallery in Buckingham Palace in London. During his lifetime, Leonardo drew thousands of pages of the human body, and about it drew thousands of pages of the human body, and about it wrote. He wanted to know what the human body is made of and how it works. But with his death in 1519, his extraordinary treatise on the body remained unfinished, and his scientific articles were not published anywhere. Based on what remains of him, clinical anatomists believe that Leonardo's work was hundreds of years ahead of his time. Some aspects can still contribute to our understanding of the human body. Number 2. The original periodic table, drawn by Dmitri Mendeleev. Dmitri Mendeleev's efforts made the elements in a table arranged in an orderly and rational manner. In the middle of the 19th century, he placed the known elements in a periodic table and was able to determine the position of the unknown elements that were discovered later. This table was first drawn as a form that did not resemble a table. The periodic table that all students must now cover is one example of how an infographic can improve people's understanding of the systematic method of science. Number 3. The Rainbow of the Brain, taken by Jane Leavitt at the Center for Brain Sciences at Harvard University. This photo was taken in 2007 by Jane Leavitt at the Brain Science Center of Harvard University from the brain of a mouse. And in it, for the first time, the connection path of brain cells or neurons is clearly defined. To capture this image, new fluorescence technology was used to individually label each neuron. In this way, genes are induced to induce fluorescent proteins in neurons. And in this way, each neuron, along with its axons and dendrites, gets a special color. And in this way, it becomes very easy to follow the path of brain connections. Number 4. The first image taken of the cosmic microwave background radiation, taken by George Smoot by NASA's COBE satellite. The tremendous heat from the Big Bang created waves that can still be detected, although these waves have now turned into microwaves and are seen as cosmic microwave background radiation. The presence of these rays confirms the Big Bang hypothesis. In 1948, the existence of these rays was predicted for the first time, and in 1965, these rays were randomly observed. However, to create a map of this background radiation, we needed much more sensitive equipment, which was made possible by the launch of a satellite by NASA in 1989. In 1992, such a map was finally created with the help of this satellite's equipment, and a physicist named George Smoot won the Nobel Prize for this work. Number 5. Dinosaur Skeleton Show, taken by Smithsonian Research Institute In 1868, the dinosaur skeleton was exhibited for the first time. A fossil hunter named William Parker Falk had found the remains of a dinosaur species called Hadrosaurus foci. Although 5 other types of dinosaurs had been found by that time, the skeleton of the mentioned dinosaur was the most complete skeleton that had been found. These bones were attached and exhibited at the Academy of Natural Sciences in Philadelphia, and then in other museums in the United States. It was here that the dinosaur became a phenomenon in the eyes of the general public. The photos that were taken of the skeleton were circulated among the people, and for the first time, what the biologists had known for centuries came to the attention of the people. And they also understood that strange creatures once ruled the world. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel for support.